What's good, YouTube? So hey, I got another tutorial for y'all right now. We're about to do some hamstrings. So I'm gonna give y'all a hamstring exercise you can do basically if you don't have the equipment to really get a good hamstring pump. So as y'all can see, this is my apartment gym. I've showed y'all this multiple times, but there's no hamstring curl machine in this gym. So what I've been doing to kind of get an extra exercise for my hamstrings, I'm gonna show you right now. Let's do it. So first thing you're gonna do, I'm not gonna go fairly heavy. You can grab like a moderate weight, you know, depending on, it's gonna vary from person to person, but I normally do like 30s or 40s. I'm just gonna grab the 30s for this tutorial. So what you wanna do is you're gonna find a bar anywhere that you can hang in your gym. It can be, you know, this bar in this training zone. It can be, you know, your lat pull down bars, whatever it may be, just something that you can hang from. So what you can do is you can take the dumbbell, place it in between your feet like this. Get your feet close together, keep them tight, and you're gonna reach up. Hopefully you can reach up without having to jump. If anything, you can get a stool or something where you can get your hands placed on the bar and then drop from there. Or I used to do this, I would hang from the bar and get someone to place the dumbbell between my feet. So whatever you can do to make it work. But basically, again, take the dumbbell between your feet, keep them close, then hang. And then basically, if you look at my feet, you have the dumbbell just hanging in between both of my feet close together. And all you're gonna do is curl up, just like that. And depending on how heavy of a weight you use, if you use too heavy of a weight, you might not feel it in your hamstrings. Other muscles might take over to try and compensate for the weight and try and pull it up. But again, you know, your hamstrings is basically like the bicep of the leg. So think of it as you're just trying to curl it up. So you don't want the weight to be super heavy and you don't want it to be super light. You want it to be in that between, that good in-between weight. So try it out on your own, see how you feel. You might start off with a lightweight and find that it's too light, so go up. If you start with a heavy weight and you find you're really not feeling it and you're having to swing a lot, that means the weight's too heavy. Slow it down, put the weight down. You really want to get the most out of this exercise by having your hamstrings do all that work. Feel the muscle. I'm gonna do another one, but I'll keep talking to y'all. You wanna feel the hamstring literally pulling the weight up, you know? And you're working against gravity, so that's another good thing for the exercise as well for your hamstrings. So just pull up. You don't wanna go super fast, you know, at a, you know, pretty much a 1 count. Up. This is a great way, if you think about it, maybe I'll insert a clip, but this is basically the same thing you would do if you had a seated hamstring curl machine, where you're lying down on the bench, right? That machine is pretty common in a lot of gyms, but this is a good way to get that same work, but without that machine. So I hope y'all like that one. That's a good gym right there. I really had to utilize this one. I almost do this like every week or every other week just to get my hamstrings in, as there's not a lot in this gym. So y'all try that out on your own if y'all are limited on equipment, or if y'all just want to try something new. So let me know what y'all think. Till next time, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that, and we out.